This isn't about working harder, it's about stealing a secret forged in the soot and steel of the 19th century. A secret that, with a little help from AI, you can process information and solve problems at a speed that feels almost unfair. Look, back during the Industrial Revolution, the world was drowning in complexity. New machines, new markets, and problems popping up every single day. Most people, they were mentally swamped, but a select few, the Watts, the Brummels, the Lovelaces, they seemed to operate on a different frequency. They saw connections where others saw chaos. Today, we're drowning again. Not in factory noise, but in data, information overload. The question isn't if we need to think faster, it's how. And the answer lies in taking their 19th century mental blueprint and supercharging it with 21st century AI. Their first secret? First principles thinking. While the masses looked at a broken machine and thought, how do I fix this specific part? The Titans asked, what are the fundamental laws governing this entire system? They didn't just see a steam engine, they saw thermodynamics in action. They stripped the noise away until only the core logic remained. The second superpower was systemic thinking. Most people saw cause and effect as a straight line. I pull the lever, the machine moves. Simple. But the innovators, they saw feedback loops. They understood that changing one gear rippled through the whole factory. They could mentally simulate these systems, predicting failures before they ever happened. That's not just thinking, that's lightning-fast problem-solving. So how do we tap into that mental velocity today? We use AI as our cognitive lever. If the Industrial Revolution gave us machines to amplify our muscles, AI gives us machines to amplify our brains. Here is exactly how I do it. For first principles, I use AI as my ultimate Socratic teacher. I don't just ask it for facts, I tell it, deconstruct this business strategy into its core assumptions, or explain this coding problem like I'm an alien who only understands basic logic. It strips away the jargon, leaving me with the fundamental truth. And for systemic thinking, I use AI as a rapid simulation engine. I'll prompt it, model the ripple effects if I change variable X in this project, or what are the second-order consequences of this market shift? In seconds, it maps out a web of possibilities that would take a human brain days to visualize. See, it's not about letting the AI think for you. It's about letting the AI do the heavy lifting of processing data, so your brain is free for the high-level stuff, the intuition, the creativity, and the truly human connections. In the real world, this looks like 1. Rapid diagnosis. Instead of getting lost in the weeds when a project fails, I ask AI to identify the 3 most likely root causes based on the data. 2. Accelerated learning. I can grasp a new industry in an hour by asking for the core economic drivers from first principles. And 3. Strategic foresight. I'm not reacting to the future, I'm simulating it. This isn't just about saving time, it's about cognitive leverage. It allows you to operate with the clarity of a 19th century visionary, but at the speed of light. The next time you feel overwhelmed by a problem, don't just work harder. Think like a Watt. Think like a Brunel, but give your genius a modern upgrade. Because the fastest way to lead in this revolution isn't to outwork the world, it's to outthink it.